Hi, Chris Morrissey with House Prospector, previewing homes in Coto de Casa. Just walked out of a beautiful 4-bedroom, 5-bath, approximately just over 3,500 square foot home. Excuse me, lot size on this one is over 10,000 square foot. Price point on this is under 1.3 million. This is a very nice home, single loaded street, nobody on this side of you. The house is on this side, which is a view side because there's nobody behind you. There's a kind of a, I want to say kind of a decline there, probably about 50 feet before you get to anything. And I don't think there was a house back there. I think it was maybe a street or something. I don't remember seeing anything back there. But what does that mean? That means you've got a great view, is what that means. There's a swimming pool and a hot tub. They also had a covered patio area right there. Kind of upgraded kitchen, which overlooked your backyard. Living room overlooked your backyard. And then you have a nice front greet room. You have a stairwell going up. And most of the flooring all throughout was this beautiful wood flooring all throughout. Now you do have a single bedroom downstairs with its own private bathroom. Across the hallway, there's a what do you call it? A half bath there for guests, and then a laundry room coming out from your garage. But there is a full bedroom with a 3/4 bathroom, so they have a shower in there to support that bedroom. And then you have 3 bedrooms upstairs. You also have a great huge entertainment area up there as well. I was surprised at just how big that entertainment area was. The master bedroom overlooks the backyard, so it has a great view, and you're looking probably westbound, I would say. So from up there, you're going to get some great sunset views from your just laying in your bed. Look over and you got a nice sunset view there. I do believe it was a jacuzzi tub in there, so and then walk-in closets. So all in all, this was a really nice home. It's kind of on the south end of Coto de Casa. I do believe, no, I take that back. It's pretty much in the middle of Coto de Casa. So if you're looking for something close to the golf course, then you may want to check this one out. So give me a call, 949-813-9185. I'll get you all the information, get you some pictures, and who knows, this could be your next home. Hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next preview.